大家好，欢迎来到跟陈老师学汉语。The phrase. In this lesson, you will learn how to use the in the phrase. The phrase is one in which the structure particle the is attached to a notional word or phrase with its head word omitted, which refers to a person or thing. Let's look at the examples. The first one. 这些苹果是哥哥的. These apples are the elder brothers. In this sentence, the is suffixed to a noun. The head word of this the phrase is 苹果, and it has been omitted in the Chinese sentence. The reason why we omit the second 苹果 is because we have mentioned it in the beginning, and you don't want to say it twice in one sentence. In English, you omit it too. Let's look at the second sentence. 这些苹果是我的. These apples are mine. In this sentence, the is suffixed to a pronoun 我. Here, 我的 it means mine in English. It is used as a nominal possessive pronoun. And the head word of this the phrase is 苹果. If we say 苹果 in the sentence, in English, we would say, these apples are my apples. In this sentence, 我的 means my, and it is used as an adjectival possessive pronoun. So, in Chinese, the pronoun 我的, if it is followed by a noun, it means mine. If it's followed by nothing, it means mine. Like in the English sentence, you don't say, these apples are my apples. You say, these apples are mine. In Chinese, we don't say apples twice, so that's why we omit the second apple. These pronouns are just like 我. You just add the after them, and then they become possessive pronoun. If they are followed by a noun, they are adjectival possessive pronoun. If they are followed by nothing, they are nominal possessive pronoun. The third example. 来的有20人. There are 20 persons who came. The is suffixed to a verb in this sentence. The head word of this the phrase is 人. The reason why we omit the head word 人 here is because it will be mentioned later in the sentence, and you don't want to say the same character 人 twice in a single sentence. You may ask, can I omit the second one and leave the first one there? The answer is yes, but you have to add measure word 个 after the number 20. So the sentence can be 来的人有20个. In this example, the is suffixed to a verb, and you can change the verb to any verb that a person can do, like 走, to go away. So you can say 走的有20人. There are 20 persons who went away. You can also change the verb into 吃 to eat. So the sentence would be 吃的有20人. The fourth example. 买苹果的都在这儿. Those who bought apples are all here. In this example, the is suffixed to a verb plus object phrase. We can know the head word of this the phrase is 人, person, by the context. Another point I would like to let you know is that in this sentence, 人 has not mentioned, so you can leave it there and say 买苹果的人都在这儿. This sentence is also correct. The last example. 我买的都在这儿. What I bought are all here. In this sentence, the is suffixed to a subject plus predicate phrase. We can know the head word of this the phrase is 东西, things, by the context. In English, you say the sentence differently. You say, what I bought are all here. The same as we have not mentioned the word 东西 in the Chinese sentence. So we can leave the head word here and do not omit it. You can say,我买的东西都在这儿. It is also correct. So, 的 can be suffixed to a noun, to a pronoun, to a verb plus object phrase, and to a subject plus predicate phrase. There are another 2 points that you also need to know. First one, in the phrase, the must be suffixed to other word or phrase. Second, the phrase functions as a noun in the sentence. The character the can also be suffixed after an adjective. The way we use the in that way is different, and that will be covered in a separate video. Okay, that's all for this lesson. 谢谢，下节课再见. If you like my video, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.